Girl,
Yeah.
looks like you got a workout.
I did. Super awesome.
And that's really what it's all about. Of course, you
Definitely.
do a lot outside the box.
I do.
You've been doing Bikram yoga here at the Hot Spot for several years.
Several years. Yes.
You're up in your ante too. We got a lot of people doing the 60-day challenge.
Right.
We got people that have been couch potatoes their whole life and
Right.
just stepped into the mix. But then there's you,
Yeah.
people just like you, elite athletes that are cross-training with Bikram yoga.
Right.
The challenge you're focusing on for the next 30 to 60 days.
Right.
And how are you feeling?
I feel great. I feel energized. I haven't done a lot besides this because it is such a good workout, and I feel like my cardio workout is just as good as running or a boot camp or anything else like that. As you can tell, I sweat
Yes,
profusely.
you do, which you should. That's the
And,
detox. But
and-
what's the key to the detox? How
The
do you-
key to the detox is fluids and
Yes.
electrolytes
Yes.
and magnesium and calcium and potassium and
Absolutely.
all those things that your body loses when you're sweating.
Yeah.
And if you don't get those things, then you have a really hard time the
Absolutely.
next time you come in.
Absolutely. So it's a great detox, but you can't detox unless you're hydrated.
Right.
So you're a great example of being able to do both of those things,
Right.
hydrate and detox.
Right.
And how is your body feeling?
I am on day 29 today,
In a row.
and
Amazing.
I am so much more flexible. I was doing a lot of running and boot camps and weightlifting, and you get really stiff from those things, and so I would cross train with this to stay flexible, but since I've been doing this solely, I'm so much more flexible. I have scoliosis and a bulging disc, and my back feels great, and I attribute it to this because it keeps
It keeps
the
it moving, doesn't it?
lubrication.
We've all
Yes,
got
absolutely.
the injuries, maybe the overuse injuries. After the age 30, we've
Right.
probably got it going on. And you look fabulous, by the way.
Oh,
Your physique looks
thank
fabulous.
you.
But beyond that, it's how you feel. And you're obviously
Yes.
doing great and keeping the energy up in class. And we really
Right.
appreciate you giving us some
Thank
time
you.
here at Hot Spot.
Thanks.
All right, we'll see you later, girl. You got tomorrow, and then we got another 30 days.
I know it. I'm ready for it.
All right. Thanks, Andy.